Hello and welcome to the second episode of the Developer Talk TV. I am Andrew Faria and today I'm going to talk about retrospective meetings. So retrospective meetings are very common in the Agile software development methods. But it could also be used for people that are not using Agile at all. So the purpose is to allow the team to be continuously improving what they're doing, continuously improving their work. So there is two key components essential to a good retrospective meeting. So a retrospective meeting is a meeting where the team is going to reflect and discover actions to take in order to improve what they're doing. So the first one, it's a Japanese word called hansei. That means exactly reflect. So we need to reflect about what we are doing, about how we are doing our work, about the results that we are achieving. And the second component, it's another Japanese word, Kaizen. So Kaizen is about take action to improve. Albert Einstein used to say that insanity is doing the same things over and over, expecting to get different results, better results. So if you do the same thing over and over, of course you're gonna have the same results. So in order to get better results, you need to change. So retrospectives, it's about finding what your team needs to change, to improve. So it's a moment where you reflect and you need to discover some actions. And a common mistake is to have those retrospectives where you think, everybody has all those ideas, but when you finish the retrospective, at the end you have no concrete actions, and this is a very problem and it's a waste of time. So an advice that I have for you, I've been doing retrospectives for more than 4 years here at the company I work in Brazil. It's called BlueSoft, my company, and we have a visual backlog of our actions list of the retrospective. So every week we try to have concrete actions that the team are going to do in order to improve. So we have this at a card wall, a Kanban with to do, doing and done, and the team is always doing something to improve. And if we have a very big action to take, what we do is we break into small steps, and then we talk just about the first step in order to get that big improvement. So every week we are recycling this backlog, and so every action should take 1 week, not more than 1 week. So every week we can keep track about what we are doing to improve our process, to improve our team, to improve our productivity. So I have lots of tips of how you can lead an Agile retrospective, about techniques that you can use, and I'm gonna share with you in the next episode. So keep watching. Thanks very much. You can follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is @AndrewFaria. Thanks very much. See you tomorrow.